Today, we will understand how to configure alarms and get predefined alarms dashboard. Log in as admin and go to Alarms and Notification Navigation menu. Go to Alarm Management. Now add new alarm screen and configure. You can add multiple rules in one alarm screen, and one rule can handle all set points, which is similar benchmark. Here I am configuring transformer voltage alarms. In this case, there are 4 tags which are from transformer and has same set point. I can select all of them and set their high and low set points in one go. I can also assign aliasing for alarms text. Once the alarm is created, execute the rules so that all the set point be effective. Now go to the user management and assign the newly created alarm screen to user. Remember, it is predefined type screen. You do not need to make this screen. Just assign the screen and you are good to go. In these screens, you get the active alarms, historical alarms, and the settings. From Alarm Settings window, user can also change the set points without depending upon admin to do this. After changing the set points, do not forget to execute rules. Thanks for watching.